Welcome back to the DFWplumber.com, Dallas Fort Worth Plumbing Podcast, where we help homeowners understand their plumbing in simple, practical terms. I'm Andrew, and today we're talking about something you rarely see but definitely notice when it's not working. Bathroom vents, also called vent stacks or plumbing vents. Every bathroom has drainage pipes, but it also has a hidden system of vents running up through the walls and out the roof. These pipes don't carry water, they carry air, and they're essential for keeping your home odor-free and your drains working properly. What does a bathroom vent do? When water moves through a drain, it pushes and pulls air with it. Without venting, drains would gurgle, toilets would flush poorly, and sewer gases could enter your home. Bathroom vents have three jobs. Release sewer gases outdoors. They vent methane and hydrogen sulfide out through the roof, not into the bathroom. Balance air pressure in the drainage system. Just like a straw needs one end open, plumbing needs airflow to drain smoothly. Protect P-traps. Good venting keeps the water seals in your P-traps from being siphoned dry. Now let's talk about why bathroom vents sometimes smell. 1. Dry P-traps, the most common cause. If a sink, shower, or floor drain isn't used often, the trap dries out and sewer gases escape. This is common in guest bathrooms or seasonal spaces. Fix. Run water for 10 to 15 seconds to refill the trap. 2. Blocked roof vents, leaves, dust, bird nests, even small animals can clog the rooftop vent. When it can't breathe, air gets forced back through the drains. Signs: gurgling sinks, toilet bubbles, slow flushing, odors during showers. 3. Biofilm in the sink overflow. The overflow cavity in bathroom sinks traps hair, soap scum, and bacteria. Fix: clean it with disinfectant or an overflow brush. 4. A failing toilet wax ring. A cracked or compressed wax seal lets sewer gas escape around the base of the toilet. Signs: odor near the floor, smell intensifies when flushing, toilet rocks slightly. 5. Improper venting from remodels. DIY work sometimes removes vents, uses undersized pipe, or installs S-traps or unapproved air admittance valves. Poor venting creates vacuum effects that pull odors into the bathroom. 6. Sewer line problems. A blocked main line can push odors through multiple drains. Signs: several gurgling fixtures, slow drains house-wide, or water backing up. If you smell sewer gas in more than one room, it's time to call at DFW Plumber. Prevention tips: run water weekly in unused fixtures. Keep hair and soap buildup under control. Use drain screens. Make sure exhaust fans reduce humidity. Check toilets for wobbling or leaks. Avoid harsh chemicals that damage seals. Inspect the roof vent yearly for obstructions. Quick recap: bathroom vents remove sewer gases and balance drain pressure. Dry traps, roof blockages, and wax ring failures cause most odors. Biofilm, bad venting, and sewer line issues are also common sources. Simple routine maintenance prevents most smells. If you need help clearing a blocked vent or diagnosing bathroom odors, visit DFWplumber.com to connect with a trusted Dallas Fort Worth plumber. Thanks for listening to the DFWplumber.com podcast. I'm Andrew, and I'll see you in the next episode.